And we're back to learn JavaScript. Let me show you the console.log. This is usually used for debugging, and you can't really print it out in the screen directly, so on your website. Instead, it prints it in a console. So we type that in, encapsulated by our script tags. Let me make that hello world. When you refresh your page, nothing has changed. To see it, we have to access the console. This is usually done by pressing F12. This opens the developer tools, and by default you should see the inspector. Just switch to the console, which is the second option here. And now you can see the hello world here is printed. It's a helpful tool for debugging your code, for finding mistakes, checking if your code properly works. It can also print numbers, equations, variables. All of that is possible. We're going to use this quite a lot in our future tutorials, so make sure to understand how you can access it. Yet again, when you've got your browser window opened, just press F12. This opens the developer tools, or go to your settings of the browser and then open the developer tools, web developer tools, and then switch to the console here. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.